and welcome Siemens as our diamond partner for the DX Summit 2021.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It gives me immense pleasure to be here on behalf of Siemens for this opening of DX Summit. I'll start with a quote from whom I regard the most powerful woman in the world. And it's not my wife. I'm talking of Angela Merkel, the lady, the visionary lady, as I call her, at least 3 years ago said that data is going to be the next biggest commodity. How right she was. In fact, if I quote, let me please allow me another quote from Michael Dell, the founder of Dell. He said that the next $1 trillion will be made through data by our industries and also by our customers. So this really underlines the importance of digitalization in the next remaining part of our lives and for our future generations. Digitalization is not limited to accumulation of wealth via bitcoins, as my colleague Saqib is doing these days. Sorry. But I mean, whether it is digitalization or any other new concept which is introduced, what are the main 4 aims? The aim is, of course, to enhance the productivity, have greater flexibility, better time to customer, and last but not the least is achieve environmental efficiency, which is very, very important these days. So I mean, this thing cannot be done while operating in a silo. We need to develop an ecosystem, a digital ecosystem. And a digital ecosystem cannot be created or managed by 1, 2, 10, 20 companies. We all need to be part of the system. Because the thing is that for the entire digitalization scope, we cannot act in singularity. We need to hold hands with our suppliers, with our vendors, with our customers. In every aspect, we have to bring up the level of everyone. I mean, when Saqib, in many conferences I've heard him, that 60% of the governments around the world operate on SAP. Why not Pakistan? Where is Pakistan in that? I would like to see Pakistan coming into this mix of real and virtual world, which is called digitalization. We should be... Oh, sure. So, when we talk of, integrating virtual into real, then we should think about integrating concepts like IoT, big data, AI, additive manufacturing, cloud computing. But I mean, for majority of our organizations in Pakistan, these are alien words. And unless we bring utility of all these concepts and all these words across every organization in Pakistan, we are not likely to succeed. I mean, I'm a Siemens man. I can give you an example of Siemens. Siemens, starting from 2007, in the last 13 plus years, have acquired companies worth more than 10 billion euro, all on the IT and digitalization side, starting with Mentor Graphics, if I'll mention few, and also companies like Mendix. These are all acquired by Siemens. Siemens, which was previously known as an electrical and automation giant, EA company, is now a EAD company. It is electrical automation and digitalization. I mean, as far as digitalization is concerned, this is my very humble and personal belief that it is no longer a choice. It is no longer an option. You have to have digitalization to proceed further in this world. So, I mean, to put it as all these experiences were shared, the expectations were shared. My own expectation, though it was not in one word, was that we are able to develop a digital ecosystem in Pakistan in which we carry the entire organization. I mean, not to quote the department, but I know departments in government still operating, their high-level officials still operating with the email IDs of Gmail and Hotmail. So this is, I mean, a highly deplorable state of affairs, and we should all together move that the entire country uplifts, and not only the privileged few who are, I mean, present in this room. We should open up, break the silos, and take the entire country with us in the right direction. Thank you very much.